Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to send email using Mailchimp. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your computer browser and head on to the Mailchimp website right here. So as you can see, I have already created an account, and if you want to create an account, just simply start free trial. So I'm just going to show you what that actually is. Right about here, just simply click on start free trial, and of course you have a bunch of plans available. So if you want to pay for a plan, you can actually do that, but if you want to have a free trial or a free plan, just simply select on sign up for free right here and just enter your desired email, username, and your password, and now you are good to go. So once I have already done this, it will actually lead me to this page right here. Now, I'm going to explain to you what this actually is. So under the campaigns right here, as you can see, these are the campaigns that I have currently have, and these are the campaigns I have actually made right about here. So as you can see, I have made one email campaign right here that says coffee. And if you have a lot of campaigns that you have actually made, you can actually add, or some of those campaigns will actually view here. Next is the campaign manager. So as you can see right here, the campaign manager is actually a campaign manager which tracks your campaigns, the performance of your campaigns, on whether or not your campaign is looking good. You can actually have a multi-channel campaign calendar, an SMS webhook, some campaign reports, and some send-day optimizations. So next is the email templates. So as you can see right here, these are the email templates that I have actually created, and these are the email templates that I have actually used based on what I have done here so far. So as you can see right here, once I click on this, this is the email template that I have actually used. So automatically, once you create an email campaign, you will choose an email template, and it will be actually saved right here. Next is the automations. So as you can see, these are the overview of your store or your campaigns. So as you can see, you can just look into this. So I am on a free plan, and I have to upgrade a plan to enjoy any of this. So next is all journeys. So as you can see, all journey is you can deliver great experiences with this. You have some automated marketing helps. You reach more customers with less efforts and with more results. So you have also some pre-built journeys right about here. So as you can see, you can click on some of this if you want to, right about there. And next is the transactional email. So this is ideal for sending fast, highly personalized one-to-one messages via API or SMTP. So once I click on that, as you can see right here, you can pick a plan, or you can try it for free. So all you have to do is choose any of that. Next is the audience. So as you can see, you can add your contacts right here. If you have a contact in mind, just click on add your contacts right about here. And now you can actually import from another device. You can upload a file, a CSV file or whatsoever, or you can simply copy and paste all of your contacts. So that's about it. Next is the analytics. So as you can see, these are the analytics right here. So these are some of the reports on whether or not your email campaigns are doing well. So as you can see, these are some of my engagements right about here. So basically that's about it. And of course your performance. So this is about how many I have actually gained, my revenue, my orders, my click-through rate right about here, and some average order revenue. Now I don't want to focus on any of this because I will show you how you can actually create an email campaign and send it to a particular email address. So first, all you have to do is click on create right here. And of course, you have the option whether or not what email you want to have. So if you want to create a regular email, just select this, or you want some automation, just select this. And of course, if you want to build a landing page, you can actually select this. So for now, I'm just gonna design email right here, or you can actually click on the drop down right here, and you have some options whether or not to send a regular email, a plain text email, or you can actually use a template. So for now, I'm just going to select a plain text right here, and the campaign name, let's just say order now for 50% discount. So I'm just gonna click on begin, and once I have done that, it will lead me to this one right here. So I have the option to actually whether or not where will I actually send this one. So if I want to send this to an entire audience that I have in my contacts, I'm just gonna click here, or you can actually tag someone, or you can just simply add this to a group. So for now, I'm just gonna select entire audience, and I'm gonna head on next right about here, and it will lead me to this page right here. So for now, the email subject, you can actually say the email subject is regarding discounts, and the preview text, you can actually say order now for a big discount right about there. And you can actually say from John Phillips right about there. And now you can now select your email address. So make sure to select the email address that you have in your Mailchimp. So once you have done that, you can now go to the tracking options. So just click on this if you want to have a track opens, or click on this if a track HTML clicks, and you can actually track plain text right about here. And you can actually select this one if you want to. And now some social media. Make sure to connect your Twitter or to connect your Facebook if you want this particular email to post on the social media. Then next, once you have done that, you can actually go to next right here. And as you can see right here, this is the example email that we can send. So just make sure to do this as you will, or you just check if everything is already right. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna get to next right about here, and all you have to do is to confirm right about here. So once I have done that, we are now good to go. So that's it for the plain text. So I'm gonna show you the next email campaign right about here. So head on to create again, and if you want to make an email with the template, just click on template, and of course just select get started. And now you can actually have the new builder, or you can actually select the classic builder. So for now, I'm just going to select the classic builder right here. And from here on, you can now actually select a theme that you want to use. So for now, I'm just going to select this layout. And right about here, you can now actually add some text, some box text, some dividers, some images, some image groups, some image cards, and so on and so forth. So if you want to have a logo, I suggest you go to canva.com. This is a great platform where you can actually create a logo. So once you're in Canva, just select a logo template, so you can actually do that. So as you can see, they have a lot of logo templates where you can actually use, and just select any of the logo, or you can customize your logo, and you can actually do that right here by you can actually select the logo and putting it right here. So as you can see, for example, I want to add a text right here. So I'm just gonna go to box text right here. As you can see right here, you can actually edit this one right about here. So I'm just gonna type on edit right here, and let's say buy now, for example. That's about it. So I can actually make this bold and select the size of it. So I'm just gonna select right there, and you can actually select the font style of your choice right about there. And next, if you want to add a photo, just simply click on this and just go to right about there, go to settings, click on replace right here, and now you can add a photo. So for example, I'm just gonna add this photo real quick, and just click on insert. As you can see right here, and if you want to edit this text, you can just actually delete this and add a text of your choice. So next is I want to save and close this one. So for example, we are now done with our email. So all you have to do is to click on save and exit, or you can actually preview and test right about here. So all you have to do is to save and exit right here, and maybe later. So we get to name our template. So for example, template 1. So I'm just gonna save that, and now we are now done with that. And now all you have to do is to send this one. So all you have to do is to click on this template, Of course, click on share right here, and now you can enter the emails that you want to actually send this to. So for example, I'm going to send this to someone right here. You can actually type that and just simply share the template, or you can actually share this by URL. So you can just simply copy this one and just send this to a particular email that you want to send, and once they click on that particular URL or the particular link that you actually save or send, this will be what they will be showing. So as you can see, that's it for this video, and I hope you get the idea of what I'm trying to tell you. So if you have some comments, some questions, and even some suggestions, just feel free to comment it down under the comment section below. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!